Good morning. My name is Deo Delini. You can call me Day if you want. You can also call me my first name as well. It's fine, but it sounds like something a male one. Um, I'm just live here in Philippines and going to be 40 on July. Mm, Background is you can check my data on my Facebook Messenger, and I also answer the question on your form, and even the essay at I also chat out and written there. What else? I'm at home now, and I'm staying at home for the moment. Yeah, and getting some rest. Yeah, and what else? That's it. I yeah, I just trying to connect the new field. That's why I was interested, or that's why I'm having interest of your calling like that. So that's all. Thank you, and I hope we can make it for through. Bye.